What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on AMP, and as you guys can see it has pumped up another 15% in the last 24 hours and it is currently valued at 0.0025 cents. So we're going to be looking at, as you guys can see, it pumped up about a couple of hours ago and right now slowly starting to drop down in value. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping in value? Is it going to pump back up? So we are going to go through a prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024. What are my expectations from this crypto? How high can it go? Is it worth investing into it, and so on? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or should you hold on to it for the long term going into 2024? Can that give you a much better return on investment? So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the daily chart and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.001991 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.002524 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical here. Obviously we've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting AMP to be more or less trading around its current price range of about 0.0025 cents in target, but in between that time it is likely that it's going to drop down further to around the 0.0022 cents before it starts to slowly gain back up value to where it is trading at the moment. So do expect more red candles over the coming hours, followed by green candles in the early hours of tomorrow, maintaining its current value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the fact that they are looking way too steep means it's not realistic. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. However, I'm not expecting any major pumps from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting AMP to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about 0.0028 cents is what I'm expecting by the end of next week from AMP. So an overall minimal increase in value, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days in between as well, take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a dip before it starts to gain value towards the end, mid to end of next week. So let's zoom in into the daily chart. Next couple of weeks we are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and it's not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic than the previous graph. So yes guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late December, early January 2024, I'm expecting AMP to be trading around 0.005 cents in target, or slightly above that is what I'm expecting AMP to be trading at, because I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving in a bullish direction, including of course the main crypto out there, Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to hit over $42,000 by the end of the year and early next year as well, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. So yeah, this is my prediction on AMP going into 2024 as well. mid to late 2024. So in the second half of next year, I'm expecting it to hit the 1 cent target, guys. So that of course depends on how the crypto market performs. It is a volatile market, but 2024 should be a bullish year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, I got a little announcement for those of you guys who want to join my Telegram channel. The link to that will be in the description box down below. So it is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code is not available for too long and not for everyone. So yeah, first come first serve basis, of course. So yeah, make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So just to give you guys a little explanation, what happens once you join, you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions about any cryptos, doing analysis and predictions and so on. And I also give you guys regular updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in there. Don't mind the figures in here because this is an old screenshot. But yeah, that is pretty much what happens in the group chat. And the second group chat, which I will be showing you guys, is when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies. I am a long-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily or weekly basis, but when I do, it is at a very good entry and selling price as well. So yeah, you'll get put into both the group chats for $14.99 a month. Any questions, any queries, send me a DM or comment down below. And now back to AMP. So we are still trading in the red zone, guys, and to get out of the red zone we need to hit just below 2 cents, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from AMP. Even in 2024, I'm not expecting AMP to be hitting the green zone or even getting near the resistance target here. But what I'm expecting is for it to hit the 1 cent target, meaning we will be on the correct path, but it's going to take a little bit longer than a year for us to hit the green zone, potentially mid 2025. Again, who knows what's going to happen to crypto or even AMP in that time. You know, it can go for a major crash or a major bull run or a price bump. Anything can happen. But of course, I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 400%, making it $42 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading over the last 24 hours. Most likely, people have seen the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours, and more people have started to buy it and sell the crypto as well, meaning more traders, which also helps the value of AMP stay up and pump up even higher. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.